today I am inspecting our chimney here because when we've been trying to have fires in our wood stove, it's been smoking a lot. Even once the stove gets warmed up, if you open the door, a lot of smoke's coming out. I'm concerned there's some creosote built up blocking the chimney somewhat, so I'm gonna go climb up there with the ladder and a flashlight and see if I can see what's going on, if there's anything that would be a cause for concern, and make it so the smoke can't get up the chimney effectively. First thing I'm noticing here, you can see the cap has a ton of stuff built up, totally blocked here. So I'll take the cap off and look, but that's not a good sign for maybe what to see down below. Oh, and of course Olaf the cat has to be present at all times, making every job a little bit more difficult. Got one of these on both sides. I wasn't sure how this was connected, so I just brought my Leatherman. Yikes. I'll shine my light down here, but that is not good. All the way down. Holy cow. As you saw, the chimney was really stuffed up, and I was too cheap and too impatient to schedule a chimney sweep to come out, so I bought this Morinoli chimney sweep kit off of Amazon. I think it was like $35. It comes with chimney rods, a brush, a collection bag, some plastic to cover the fireplace with, gloves, a drill adapter, and then also there's some sponges in there. I'm not sure what those are for, and a brush. Some things that are in there that are not listed on the box. So I'll open it here. So, yeah, sponges. Here's the brush, some goggles, some gloves, a brush. It's pretty fine. Bristles on it, and then plastic. So that will allow us to cover up the fireplace here with plastic, and then you can feed the drill and extenders through the plastic and up, so you don't have to clean it from the top. Mine is pretty accessible from the top, so I have that option, but I'm going to try to do it from the bottom. I'm going to clean this out first, and then we'll work on getting it brushed out tonight. I don't have an ash vacuum, and I haven't found a really good way to do this without just dust going everywhere, but what I've been doing lately is I just put the bucket tilted up towards the entrance, so anything that gets pushed out from the air goes back in. I just shovel it into the bucket. So there's after shoveling the ash out before I've swept the chimney. And I will put the chuck or the adapter into my drill. The instructions said not to change up the speed when you're doing this because it will stress the nylon rods. So I'm going to try to just set the drill speed, do it low, and then go from there. I forgot about my PPE. Okay. I'm just wearing this PPE because not actually using that PPE. One review I read on Amazon said that the rods came apart because they didn't click, so I'm just testing to make sure they click together good. There's finally some stuff coming down. I think we may be at the top. So you can see all of the creosote here around the edge of the cap and how clear the cap is. So I would say the brush came all the way up. I'm gonna take this off just to inspect down below, but you can even see the edge of the brush right there. Here is the brush at the top of the chimney, and look at that. I mean, we saw what it was before. This looks pretty great all the way down. Definitely feel more comfortable burning a fire in that. You can see our chimney has a little bit of a bend down there. Not too much. This kit said it wouldn't work if it was a big bend, but with what we have, it's working fine. I decided to bring this big box in to pull the sections into, just because they were dirty from being up the chimney, and I was able to just put them in the box and take them outside to clean them up. As you saw, that made a huge difference in the chimney. Most of the buildup seemed to be in the top part of the chimney and in the cap, which I saw. Wasn't sure how much buildup was in the rest of it, but as I was running the cleaner through, didn't see a lot of stuff start falling until we got close to the top. But as you can see now, fire's going. I can open the door and smoke is not pouring out into the house. So that was stupid easy. Took like 20 minutes. The kit, I'll find the link on Amazon, but it was like $35. And now our fireplace is working. So if you have concerns about your chimney not being clean and you want to test it out, I don't know that it's a replacement for professional looking at it, but it's definitely worth a try. Thanks for watching.